I was just sent this 22-piece compass geometry kit. Now this has much more than just the compass. As you can see, it's got a nice case that everything lays in. You've actually got 2 protractors you can use here, and this would be great because you can actually precisely measure everything. Then put your pencil in there and have it all lined up. So that is great. They even give you the pencil to use. So when you are working with this, it all fits in there really nicely. You can have everything, line it up directly at whatever degrees you want to have, put your lines in, or you have just the smaller one if you need a smaller one with smaller angles. You've got different sizes of those. You have different triangles that you can use if you're needing to have for different angles based on that way. They've all got the measurements on there in your inches and centimeters. All of this is just really nice as far as your angles and giving you a variety of different things. Of course, you've got your straight up ruler that you can use to measure as well. So lots of different measurement tools. You have different leads and pencil tips that you can use for all of these. They've got them everywhere. Several different erasers that you can use. I mean, there's just so many extra things, which is fantastic because when you're doing this kind of work, you do end up having to erase and redo. Now they do have these little fellas. These are nice little compasses that you can use to measure out any sort of circle diameter. So you've got everything right here. This one will spin around, be able to measure it out really nicely. You've also got little holders to be able to put your pencils on. You've got a little bow-legged one, and you have just the regular steady ones. And you've got a lot of different options here to be able to use, whether you're putting it in for pencil and making your circles around. All of it will hook on here nicely and be able to use, whether it's for geometry or architecture. These are nice grips on here, nice metal. It's a beautiful kit to add in precision and make it fun to do some math.